Good morning, beauties. I have something really exciting in store today. I hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. But I am waiting on my haircut, which is at 2:45 today. We all know me. I rarely get haircuts. When I do nothing. I cut it. I have never dyed or highlighted my hair before. This is my natural hair and it's just long and straight, and it has always been long and straight. The only thing I've ever done is cut it a little bit shorter, which was a really significant moment in my life. So today I am getting curtain bangs. I know everyone is, but it's fine, okay? But it's fine. I've had this appointment planned for a few weeks now, and the reason why I want to get curtain bangs is because my hair is literally just long and straight. There's no shape to it whatsoever. It's literally just long and straight. The cutoff is straight. So I wanted to do something different and something fun to it. I'm just I'm bored, you know? I want a little excitement. So it's about almost 11 right now. It's 11 something. I am uploading a new YouTube video. It is 0% process, but it's uploading. It is my review on the Selena Gomez Rare Beauty brand. I will put it, I think it's on this side that the iCard shows up. I don't know, it flops around and every time that I point, it's never there. Anyway, I think it's gonna be on this side. But it is my honest reviews on the Rare Beauty products, and you guys should go watch it if you haven't already and go give it a thumbs up, because it was my first review on my channel and I'm trying to do more stuff like that and also incorporate, I don't know, I just want my channel to be fun and be a good place to go to and be happy and just chill and watch. I don't know about you, but when I watch YouTube videos, I usually watch it as just background stuff to have, so it's almost like I have someone to keep me company while doing stuff. So maybe I'm that person for you right now. So basically I am just gonna vlog it, and then after I am going to go take pictures with my friend Dylan from college. So we're gonna go take pictures because I'll have fresh salon hair and stuff, which will be really exciting. I am about to go grab some breakfast. I made some overnight oats and I will show you guys that. And then I have some class stuff to do before I do my appointment, and then I will take you to my appointment and we will have new hair. I'm excited. I really am excited. I feel sometimes I get really nervous, but I'm excited. It's something new. I've had this for so long and it looks good on everyone who does it. I just hope that I can pull off learning how to do my hair, because I feel I always had to learn to do makeup because I loved makeup so much, but my hair has just always been so straight and long that I've never had to learn how to do hair, you know? Does that make sense to anyone else, or is that just me? Bye, I'm gonna go have breakfast. Okay, I have my overnight oats. I don't think you understand how excited I am about this. It's a strawberry flavored, so I did strawberry, the overnight oats, strawberries, the overnight oats, strawberries, the overnight oats, a few more strawberries. I cut up a lot of strawberries, but the reason why is because last time I had this, I felt there were too little strawberries, so I ramped it up about 200% on the strawberries. Plus it's a fruit, so it's good for you, but look. Oh, and after I do it, I'm gonna come back here, do my makeup, put on a cute outfit. I already said this, but going and take pictures with Dylan. And the reason why I want to do it today is because I'll have the salon look still, so it'll still look good before I could possibly mess it up attempting to recreate this salon look later. So that's exciting. Guys, it's bad. I literally don't know how to curl my hair. I can't do it. I think it's also because I just don't have the right curling wands and stuff like that. I don't know. Is that an issue for anyone else? I just feel because my hair is so straight, I've never had to do hair products like that, and I never do heat. I barely ever blow dry my hair. I try not to use heat as much as I can, and I guess it shows because my hair is really, really healthy. And I'm kind of worried that when I start using curling wands and stuff like that, I'm gonna like damage my hair. But it's also like, you know, why not? And I feel like because I'm trying to get more into fashion and styling and stuff like that, hair plays a big part in that and like the way you present yourself. So I feel like I probably should start to learn how to at least do some sort of hair, because I feel like right now my most is like braids, ponytails, buns sometimes. I never do buns anymore. And then like hair clips. These are the best. I love these. And I feel like these with the curtain bangs are gonna look phenomenal. That might just be me, but I think it'll look great. I don't know. We'll find out. Okay, I'm gonna have my breakfast and finish uploading my YouTube video and work on my classes, and then I will let you guys know when I'm about to leave. I'm here. I'm at the salon that I'm getting my hair done at, so we'll do final looks, you know. But my appointment is in 10 minutes. I'm a little bit early because it's respectful to be early to stuff like this. But yeah, I'm really excited / nervous, but I think it's gonna look really good. But yeah, I will update you guys when I'm done, and I will see you in a little bit. I don't know how long this is gonna take, so fingers crossed I'm not sitting in that chair for too long. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm not done yet because she said after I finish like doing my makeup, like right before I go take pictures with Dylan, to like run my hands through it, and then it'll like fall really naturally and pretty. Do you know who in this image who I look like? Eric's sister from that 70s show. I'm literally about to put up a picture here. I look like her right now. But because my hair is so thick, we ran out of time, so the back isn't finished curled. This isn't finished being curled, so I have to finish that because we ran out of time. But I really like it. What do you guys think so far? I'll have to show you guys again when my hair is like straight and stuff, and when the curls are down a little bit. So I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'll be right back. But I really love it so far. I'm really excited to finally have something different, you know? Just a little zhuzh it up a bit, you know? Okay, bye. Oh my gosh, I just feel like I look so much more mature. So I did my makeup and I got dressed, and I am with Dylan right now. And we are in a part of Oregon, and we're gonna take some pictures really fast. And we found a cute little location that like overlooks all the city buildings. Getting out right now. Oh, get out so ladylike. Where'd you go? Oh, look at the fit. We got the fit tight. We got the fall dress going. Oh, look, a dog. Stop. I love my hair too much. This is too much of a confidence booster. I don't know what I'm supposed to do now with myself. Okay, wait, you guys, look at his fit. I'm so proud right now. This is such a proud moment. Okay, I am back home now. I finished taking pictures. I don't know, we'll have to see. We couldn't really find a place or like a location that really like we really loved, so we'll have to see how the pictures turned out. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye, beauties.